and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico, rico.
Hey guys, we are at Disney Springs, and for the first time ever, we're gonna show you the new drum show, Disney Dreams That Soars. It is presented by AT&T, and we are going to come live and show you guys. So come with me, let's go. This new show starts today, May 24th, and it's going to run all the way to September 2nd at Disney Springs. They have two different show times, 9 p.m. as well as 10:45. I highly recommend to arrive to Disney Springs at least 2 hours in advance because the traffic and the parking is absolutely crazy. If you can arrive a little bit earlier, even better, so you can get a good spot. The show lasts approximately 9 minutes, and the best place to watch the show is in the website promenade between Cirque du Soleil and the Autofield Balloon. It is a beautiful show, especially if you are spending the day at Disney Springs. 800 drones light up Lake Buena Vista, and it's a perfect ending to a magical vacation. I hope you guys enjoy the show, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father. taken their first step into a larger world. That's her home. It's a space station.
Reporting. Red 5 standing by. Watch that crossfire, boys. Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Come in, primary ignition.
Use the Force. The Force is strong with this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you. Always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Baymax, wings. Thrusters.
Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Star Wars.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive, and with belief and faith, find your spirit guide. A whole new world when the beginnings never get old. You can light the way that seems impossible. If you feel it's wrong, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always bright like yesterday. Let's go right where you wanna be. Where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where dreams come true. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with dreams that soar. Use the thunder in your heart to prepare for the dawn, because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that life is in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. New adventures coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. So, right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where dreams come true, and the feel and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Now I have to say, I don't know if it was because it was the first time we watched the show and everybody wanted to watch it at the first time, but I believe Disney was not prepared for the amount of people that came to watch the show. Not only it was crazy mess to enter the parking and find a good spot to watch the shows, there were no signs of where to see the show. And also at the end of the show, it was crazy to come out of Disney Springs. It took us maybe 30 minutes to come out of Disney Springs, but it took us 2 hours to get off the parking. So if you are thinking of going to see the drone show, please keep this in mind. Arrive to Disney Springs early so you can get a good spot, but have lots of patience. And don't forget to like and subscribe.